you haven't heard, software is taking over the world. Every organization is becoming a technology company. But technology companies require a totally different approach to get the best results. This is why so many organizations are turning to digital product agencies to help. What is a digital product agency? These creative groups help organizations become technology companies. They provide innovative and experienced product teams to bring digital products to life. So what is a digital product? If your organization is considering a web app or a mobile app, IoT or software, if you're thinking about using these things to solve big challenges or create new opportunities in your business, then you're talking about a digital product. What does a digital product agency do? These agencies bring together product teams made up of designers and developers, test engineers, product managers, strategists, more. Their small, cross-functional teams help you navigate the right digital solution for your needs. Now you may be saying, I'm pretty sure my full-service digital marketing agency does this. Or, excuse me, we have an IT department, that's what they do. A digital product agency is a little different than your current departments or vendors. They're focused on a very specific result: designing, developing, and deploying innovative digital products that will help your people, your teams, your organization, and your customers thrive. They think and work like a tech company, which means as their teams embed into your organization, you become the tech company that you have to be. Now, some other agencies do provide technology solutions, but a digital product agency is here for the long road towards digital transformation. Their investment into top talent allows companies to de-risk and accelerate towards results faster. There's no question, every organization must be a technology company. Maybe a digital product agency is the right way for you to get there. Learn how to choose the right digital product agency for your needs by downloading our ebook or by reaching out to our team.